Imagine being able to eat out without wrecking your diet or blowing your weight loss progress. I know all of these other health and fitness guys act like a single meal in a restaurant is gonna blow all of your progress. But I'm here to tell you that that is 100% grade A, because if you play it smart and you have a plan, you could enjoy your favorite fast food or your dine out spots while still losing weight. So stick around because I've got the secret sauce for eating out guilt-free. If you're someone who loves fast food but hate what it does to you, I know exactly where you're coming from because I used to be addicted to eating McDonald's. Some days I'd eat it 4 times a day. Actually, let's be real, most days. And considering I had an eating disorder that switching to new types of food almost impossible, I had to figure out a very unique solution which would work for me. So we're not about extreme restrictions here, just smarter decisions that make a massive difference. That's what actually allowed me to lose a whopping 150 pounds without giving up my favorite foods like fast food. In my videos, I talk a lot about all the weight loss myths out there, but one of the biggest ones is that you need to avoid eating out completely to lose or maintain weight. That's just simply not true. The real key is balance, moderation, and knowing how to make better choices. So let's dive into this topic for real now. Understanding the problem with fast food, okay? So why does eating out feel like it's a setback? It's simple. Most fast food meals are packed with calories, a crap ton of unhealthy fats and sugars, and other pesticides and processed foods. But a single meal can easily rack up over 1,000 calories, right? And most people average 2,000 calories a day. So if you're a compulsive eater with a big appetite, you can easily blow an entire day's worth of calories on a single McDonald's lunch. But here's the good news. Fast food isn't the enemy. I mean, it's not your friend, but mostly because of everything I listed above. It's not inherently bad. You just need to learn how to incorporate it properly into your diet without going overboard or overkill. Now, I tell my clients all the time, if you're conscious about what you eat and how much of it, fast food can absolutely fit into your health and fitness goals. Now that you understand that, let's get into the actual tips. So how to make smart fast food choices. First things first, you're not gonna eat 3 Big Mac meals a day and lose weight, all right? Even if you pulled your own car to the drive-thru back and forth, you're simply going to consume too many calories. Calories in, calories out. And you're gonna consume too much fat and too much sugar. You're gonna feel like shit, but you can get the satisfaction of eating those meals without the same results. So here's how. Get grilled over fried. So this is one of the easiest swaps you can make, right now today, is choosing grilled over fried. For example, shout out to Canadian McDonald's, because I don't know about this in the States, but you can hack the menu by ordering a grilled chicken sandwich and also adding extra patties or just eating the patties on the side, which means you can get a grilled chicken sandwich. If you get double patties, you can get about 70 to 80 grams of protein for just 500 calories and 40 grams of carbs. It's a crap ton of protein for a pretty low calorie meal, and it will definitely keep you full. You can even add extra lettuce or pickles, right? So on top of that, you barely notice the difference because in the end, it still tastes like McDonald's. It's actually pretty juicy, right? And they have to grill it from scratch. Tip number 2 would be to double down on protein. Places like my personal favorite, I'd eat here every day if I could, Bourbon Street Grill. Loading up on protein can make your meal much more filling and satisfying. So what I typically do is get a pound of protein, and that can go a long way to hitting your macros, keeping you full and helping you stay within your calorie limit. So aim for a giant lean cut of meat, and you won't even think about touching potatoes or dessert because you're gonna be full. So about a pound of Bourbon Street chicken is 800 calories and 90 grams of protein, give or take. Then step number 3 would be to control your portions. So let's be real. Fast food isn't off limits, but portion control is the key. If you want a Big Mac, just go for it. Just make sure that the rest of your day, the meals are balanced and lower calories to accommodate the Big Mac that you just had. You can still enjoy your favorites, but it's all about adjusting the rest of your intake and keeping everything in check. A value meal at lunch might mean chicken and green beans for dinner, but you're still hitting your calorie goals, so you're still able to lose weight in the long run. Tip number 4, plan ahead. Here's a game changer to go with the last point of step number 3. Plan your meals ahead of time, especially if you know you're gonna be eating out, right? So if you know tomorrow's lunch is going to be from a fast food joint because of whatever going on in the day, then plan the rest of your meals to fit that in. It's all about making sure day balances out. So then this would go with the next thing. Step number 5, the 90-10 rule. Another strategy that I tell my clients is to try eating everything until you're about 90% full. This is basically just a body hack that helps your body slow down and you listen to your body and stop before you overeat. Try to remember that your body needs time to catch up with your hunger cues. So take it slow and enjoy your meal and don't just gorge yourself. Tip 6 would be to customize your order. So when it comes to eating out, don't be afraid to customize your order. Ask for light cheese or no cheese or light sauce or no sauce, or double the veggies to boost the volume without adding too many extra calories or the protein, right? You can make any meal work if you make these slight few tweaks, especially when it comes to sauces, mayos, other condiments. They contribute so much to the final calorie count. If you still need them, ask for it on the side. Dipping this shit in the sauce can help you save hundreds of calories per meal. Tip number 7 would be to use apps. So almost every fast food chain worldwide is almost forced to upload their nutritional information through apps or online or their digital menu, a PDF, whatever. Take advantage of this. Before you order, check out the calorie and macro content of your meal. That way you can actually make logical, informed choices and stay on track without any crazy surprises. Number 8 would be to stick to water when you're out on a diet or on a meal plan. You just need to ditch the sugar and the crap from the soda drinks anyways. They're just empty calories. Sticking with water not only saves you from extra calories, but also keeps you hydrated, which is a double positive. It's a win-win. So if you must, like if you have to drink soda, then just like go for the diet option or like the zero option. You're not gonna notice it, right? So just to recap, eating out doesn't have to derail your progress. You don't need to avoid to eat it entirely. You just need to make smart, balanced choices. Now, if you're ready to eat without guilt and want more tips on how you can maintain your weight loss while enjoying all the foods you love, I have an entire ebook, which you could literally download the entire thing on this exact subject right now. Just follow the second link in the description below. And the only other thing would be to make sure you like this video and subscribe for more hacks just like this. So if you're looking for more personalized support and meal plans ideas, then join the community, which is the second link below, which we're going to dive even deeper into strategies just like this for guilt-free dining. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.